Hey, it's Tom, and another story, or another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I'm with Ron Smith, and this is his 1964 Buick Special. Ron, thank you so much for agreeing to let us show it.
Sure.
And how long have you had it?
I've had the car for just about a year now.
Yeah?
So,
And where did you get it?
I bought it actually from a gentleman that he had nothing but Buicks. He had another 66 in his garage, which was awesome. And,
Yeah.
But this one was currently for sale, and I was in the market for a car, so I went ahead and bought it. It's kind of a small, compact car.
Yeah.
It kind of reminds me of my '63 Cutlass F85 Oldsmobile that I
Yeah.
had at one time. So I bought it. The car's got, and actually not an original 64 Buick engines, but it's got a 1970 Buick engine, 350, and it's got an Edelbrock carburetor, 4-barrel on there.
Oh, you got the windshield washer fluid?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
And he did a great job on the vehicle, restoring it, and I haven't had anything really that I had to do to it. So.
Oh, wow, the under the hood is really clean. What condition was it when he got it? Did he ever tell you?
Oh yeah, it was in terrible condition. Yeah. So he did a total restoration on there, and yeah, it's even got the little Buick emblems on there, and it's 2-door, and I got a convertible top. Those are actually it came with a bench seat. And these are actually came out of the bucket seats came out of a Mustang, but they've been reupholstered to the original seats.
Now, is that something you did, or is that something?
No, that's something that he had done.
Yeah.
So, and yeah, and
very nice. And the top looks like very, very nice condition.
Thank you. Yeah, it is. It's very nice. And trunk, it's amazing how these trunks are compared to the newer cars. You know, you could probably fit a couple people in here, but yeah, this is the way it was, and so it originally had a white convertible top, which you can the booty.
Yeah, I was going to say,
the boot, and but I haven't had a chance yet to change it out to a black boot.
And when I first started speaking to you, you were mentioning you sell the gas pump handles.
Yes, the nozzles, and people do lots of crafts with them and stuff. So, but anyway, this is my 1964 Buick Special, and I'm very happy with it. It's got a lot of pick up and go, and has a nice stance to it.
It has a wonderful stance. You know what's funny is, you and I are a bit older. Mm-hmm. Younger people don't realize this car was a mid-sized car back then.
That's right. That's exactly right. Yes.
Yeah. And we're at Cars and Cannabis. This is the first time I heard.
I know.
When my wife and I got married, we used to go to this theater all the time.
Yes, I know.
For the dollar show. Yeah.
Me too. I was originally from Florissant.
Oh, okay. Were you ever here when they had their son had played the organ?
No.
The original owners of the theater, they had an organ in there, and before the movie would start, their son would play.
Oh, I'll be darned.
And we went and saw Top Gun here when it came out.
Cool. But how times have changed, huh? Cars and Cannabis.
Yeah. I love the color combination too.
Very nice, yes, and the underneath is just as clean as the exterior of it.
So the gentleman you bought it from, I guess he trades in Buicks. He gets them and fixes them up.
He restores them. Yeah, he's out of House Springs, Missouri.
Okay.
And yeah.
And do you mind if I open the door?
No, go ahead.
See inside a little bit?
Sure, take a look. Sit in there and look at the gauges and what have you. More than welcome to look in there, and that's all original, how it was in '64.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for. Oh wow! It even has the.
Yes, it does.
Control for the mirror.
Yeah, for the side mirrors.
And does it have another control for the passenger side, or just the?
No.
Yeah.
No, that's hand.
Yes.
Hand done. So.
Yeah.
But it's very clean.
Yeah, very, very clean. Very nice. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to
Absolutely.
speak to us. Let us check out your car.
I hope your audience enjoyed it today.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Yeah. Well, thank you again.
Thanks, Tom.
So I just turned the camera off, and as soon as I did, and Ron was mentioning he should have mentioned to me while we were shooting where the gas filler is. And check this out.
Most people would think, they're like, where do you put the gas in? You know, on the sides, or is this it? But no, it's hidden behind the license plate. So it's right here.
Yeah.
It just folds on down. So
I shot I think it was a 57 Chevy Impala.
Yeah. Okay.
And it had it behind the tail light.
Right.
And the guy said that I can't remember if his car was stolen or if one was like it, but they found it near a gas station, ran out of gas, and the people that stole it didn't know where the gas filler was.
Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
But anyway, I wanted to mention that because, you know, you just don't normally see that,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So very interesting.
Yeah, very nice. Well, thank you again.
Thank you.